Good morning, YouTube. It's December 26th, 2023. It's not December 26th. It's December 16th. It's my birthday. I went from 36 last night to 37 today. Let's see what this year brings, boys. 36 was gnarly. 36 was a lot of changes, boys. I moved. Career change and all the hobbies and interests that I was into kind of got taken away from me, so I've been rebuilding myself. And here we are, 37. See what happens. It's 5:30 in the morning. Gonna go smoke some Zaza. Oh, dude. Happy birthday, Dad. This is pretty legendary. It's a dinosaur or something giving me a present. 37. Happy birthday, Hottie. Whoa!
Snowflake! It snowed for Daddy's birthday!
Did it?
Happy birthday!
No way. What's this, an alligator or a dinosaur?
No, that's a dinosaur. I saw it, I was like, oh my god, that's
So cute.
So good, right?
The
Yep.
angel, the dinosaur, and some balloons.
Found it. New book I made you for my birthday.
But for your birthday, let's see. Birthday trifecta for housewives.
Yep. Why can't you read it?
That's between me and you.
I don't get it.
Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey and you smell like one too. Dad's singing too.
That's his penis singing, not his voice.
He's just walking around naked.
Figured this morning, before we go out to the Gilcrest for breakfast, I would clean off this board. I'm trying to clean off my wall hangers. So they're going to be ceiling hangers. I'm trying to clean off the boards that are going to be ceiling hangers so I have room for the actual boards I'm going to ride. So I'm doing that. This is a board that I shaped myself with the help of Frank Sarno. He flew under the name of Mako Surfboards originally, and then he changed his name to Indy for some reason. So this is a board I shaped with him. FCS fin boxes. It's a really bad shape, to be honest. It looks kind of cool with the leopard print, but dude, it's horrible. Pretty much single-handedly killed my career. I don't know why I ever rode this at all. It was dumb. And taking this wax off, this is nutty, boys. Nutty. Dude, and this is an old wiener I drew on here, so nobody would ride the board because we all used to ride each other's boards. Crazy. Alright, I gotta get cleaning this up, boys. This wax, yeah. I cleaned off those boards. Ben gave me, and the wax was fresh. Old wax like this, like 20-year-old wax, is insane to get off. It's not even like soft. It's hard.
A few moments later.
Just got out of the sauna. Had a missed text message from the boys. Emergency water heater replacement. None of the other boys seem to be responding to the text message, so I told Blade that I'm down. Let's do it. Who cares? What's your birthday when you're 37? Let's do it. So we're going to install the hot water heater. I'm about to check out the situation when we get there. All he did was send me a passenger side something door ajar. All right, I'll let you know when we get there. I'll give you guys the update. Leaking water heater, apparently. Fun fact, I was born in Gotham City in 1986, Atlantic City Medical Center. I always forget that, and I always wonder why I feel so at peace in the city even though it's so savage. It's because I was born in the dark, and others, they merely adapted. Hot water heater down.
We're going, baby.
You get one yet?
It's ready for pickup.
Okay.
I thought I'd pump out an ice bath real quick.
Are you really?
No. I like your uniform, sir. I'm gonna pump out my kidney right now.
Did you go in this already today?
Nah, I just had some.
Oh,
work.
dude, I forgot the tablets. I'll bring them.
Oh, no way. So here's what we got. Saturday morning, Christmas week. Lady calls up, 6:30. My water heater is blowing up. I walk in the house. We handle the call. She, took our service. We go over there. I go over there, and hold on one sec. I got Dean calling back. So we handle the call. She accepts our service. She run over there 7 o'clock this morning. The water heaters, I could hear as soon as I walk in the front door. Full blast. Shut the water heater off. Boom. Tank blew. Bradford water heater. So we're going to go ahead and pick one up, replace it, and make her a satisfied customer.
Gas or electric?
Oh, it's a gas. It's a gas. It was definitely out. Ice cold water. Flooded. I should have got the shots, but I didn't. Who doesn't work on Saturday once in a while to take care of Mrs. Jones? Is all I want to know. Let's go see the fellas. I need one of these. Boom. Hi, everybody.
Is that you that drew that heart over there?
No, I did not. What's
I
up,
didn't know
brother?
Jordan must have done it.
I'm good.
You need a phosphor.
Because we had.
1 gallon regular high.
Oh, it's 3 inch
smoke pipes.
It's 3 inch smoke. I'll take a piece of smoke pipe and a 90. And this baby. So I started working part-time at Ace. And we got to put a drip tee on the water heater. Very important, everybody. Very important. Now, when you put a drip tee in a water heater, this is the water heater, you want the gas to go up and down and let the dirt gather in the bottom, aka dirt leg. All your gas off, okay? Sure. You don't have a valve in your
Didn't even need to hold it back.
Nah. I was actually worried about moving this whole thing, but
This floor's stinky. No, go ahead.
watch it.
Coming at you, Eminem and Fuzz, and Mr. Swifty.
And that's a wrap, Jack. We are headed back to my house now. What's classic about today is that me, Chuck, and Drew Tunes are working on a cartoon about a hot water going bad. Lady wakes up in the morning, cold water. We come in, replace the hot water heater, and then she's happy. I'll show you some of the drawings now. Drew Tunes is drawing them up for us. I did the storyboard, and me and Chuck conceptualized it. So it's just classic because we did that last Wednesday, and now today, Saturday, we're actually doing the cartoon that we conceptualized in reality. So that's pretty crazy. So yeah, just cruising back to the old compound now from Atlantic City.
Boo!
What? Okay, we ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Do you know what your wish was?
Mm-hmm.
What was it?
Can't tell. Dude, Christmas parade on my birthday? Couldn't be more stoked. Stoked, dude. 5-0, 5-0. Cops are here, dude. They're throwing candy! Woo! This parade's gone nutty, huh?
Mom, here's
Oh, more candy! More candy! Remember Donnie Darko when they're at the bus stop? And he's like, go back to China, bitch. This is tripping me out. And that's a wrap. My 37th birthday. Climbing in the bed and going to bed. Good night, cruel world.